In this video, we are diving deep into the 15 remarkable benefits of intermittent fasting and the one-meal-a-day diet, commonly known as OMAD. Number 1. Turns your body into a fat-burning machine. During this window, your body burns through its quick reserves and flips a metabolic switch. It starts burning stored body fat. Think of it like a hybrid car switching from gas to electric. Clinical researchers have consistently found that extending the fasting window significantly reduces stubborn visceral fat. By keeping insulin flat, your body taps into fat reserves that regular dieting simply cannot reach. A common worry is that skipping meals will damage your internal systems. We often hear that we need to graze on food to keep the engine running, but clinical evidence shows the exact opposite. This leads us to number 2, fixes and stabilizes a slow metabolism. When you constantly cut calories by eating tiny meals, your body panics and slows your basal metabolic rate to conserve energy. Fasting triggers a different response. Because you switch to burning abundant fat stores, the body doesn't feel starved. Studies show that intermittent fasting actually protects your metabolic rate. It trains your body to be highly efficient. It resets your baseline, giving you the metabolic flexibility needed to process food effectively when you finally sit down to enjoy your daily meal. Think about your typical afternoon. If you are used to needing a nap at 2 o'clock, just to get through the rest of your shift, your body is struggling with fuel processing. This introduces benefit number 3, surging, all-day energy. The afternoon crash is tied directly to the roller coaster of blood sugar rising and crashing. With intermittent fasting, your blood sugar remains incredibly stable throughout the entire day. Your body runs on a continuous drip of energy from fat cells. Researchers monitoring adults on fasting protocols frequently note a dramatic increase in reported daily energy. Without the heavy burden of digesting food all day, energy is redirected to your muscles and brain, leaving you feeling active and consistently alert from morning until night. Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgot why you went in there? That brings us to number 4, unmatched mental clarity and focus. When you fast, your liver converts fat into molecules called ketones, which are essentially a superfuel for your brain. Unlike glucose, ketones provide a smooth, highly efficient energy source. Clinical case studies involving older adults have shown that fasting protocols can actually improve cognitive test scores and memory retention. It is as if a thick layer of fog is lifted from your mind. You will find yourself able to concentrate on complex tasks for hours without the usual distraction. Number 5, decreases joint and body inflammation. Aching joints, stiffness, and chronic pain are often the result of systemic inflammation. Every time you eat, digestion creates a small inflammatory response. Fasting acts like a soothing balm for this internal fire. Clinical markers of inflammation, such as C-reactive protein, drop significantly when patients adopt an OMAD lifestyle. Whether you are dealing with minor aches or stiffness in your knees, giving your digestive system a rest allows your body to finally turn off the alarm bells and begin healing irritated tissues. Number 6, eliminates sugar and junk food cravings. Cravings are driven by a hormone called ghrelin and by massive swings in your blood sugar. When you start OMAD, your body quickly adapts. Because your insulin is low and steady, the aggressive cravings for heavy carbohydrates simply vanish. You are no longer held hostage by your appetite. Clinical dietary studies reveal that participants on a one-meal-a-day schedule naturally gravitate toward healthier, whole foods because their hunger signals have been repaired. You will easily walk past donuts because your body is already satisfied feeding on stored energy. Number 7, promotes better, younger-looking skin. One of the most incredible side effects of fasting is a process called autophagy. Simply put, autophagy is your body's internal recycling program. When cells get hungry, they start eating the damaged cellular material lying around. By removing damaged proteins and stimulating cellular renewal, your skin begins to look clearer and more vibrant. Dermatological studies point to fasting as a natural anti-aging tool. Without the constant burden of digesting food, your body redirects energy to repairing connective tissues and building fresh skin cells. There is a major myth floating around the fitness world that if you skip meals, your body will panic and start eating its own tissue for survival. The human body is much smarter than that. This leads us to number 8. Helps improve muscle retention and density. When you fast, your body aggressively defends your muscle mass by spiking the production of human growth hormone. Clinical research shows that short-term fasting can increase these hormone levels remarkably. This hormone is essential for preserving muscle density and repairing tissues. During the 23 hours of fasting, your body relies on fat for fuel, while the growth hormone shields your muscles. When you eat your nutrient-dense meal, your muscles are perfectly primed to absorb protein and rebuild stronger. This brings us to number 9, reverses and clears a fatty liver. Because you are keeping your insulin levels practically at zero for most of the day, your liver is finally forced to unpack and burn that stored fat. Medical imaging and fasting studies consistently shows a rapid reduction in liver fat when patients shorten their eating windows. It is like finally giving your liver a chance to empty its overflowing warehouses. A clean liver means vastly improved digestion and a much stronger ability to filter toxins directly from your blood. We all want to add healthy, active years to our lives. The secret to long-term cellular health might actually lie in giving our digestive engines a profound break. This introduces benefit number 10, promotes longevity and fights aging. We talked earlier about autophagy, the cellular cleanup process. By clearing out damaged cells, you prevent them from turning into larger health problems down the road. Extensive research in longevity science shows that caloric restriction and fasting protocols consistently extend the lifespan and health span of test subjects. It keeps your cells acting young. OMAD puts your body into a protective, regenerative state that actively fights the wear and tear of the natural aging process, helping you thrive well into your later decades. Number 11, dramatically improves digestion and gut health. OMAD gives your digestive system a much-needed vacation. During the fasting window, a process called the migrating motor complex activates, clearing out your digestive tract. Gastroenterology studies show that resting the gut lining heavily reduces symptoms of bloating, gas, and discomfort. If you suffer from a sensitive stomach, giving your digestive tract pure rest allows the delicate mucosal lining to heal, meaning when you do eat, you absorb your nutrients much more efficiently without the painful bloating. This brings us to number 12, lowers blood pressure naturally. High blood pressure is often tied to high insulin levels. When insulin is constantly elevated, it signals your kidneys to hold on to salt and water. By adopting the OMAD diet, your resting insulin drops dramatically, allowing your kidneys to release excess sodium. Clinical trials focusing on intermittent fasting have repeatedly shown significant drops in blood pressure. The fasting state helps relax your blood vessels, greatly reducing the long-term strain on your entire cardiovascular system. Every winter, some people catch every bug going around, while others seem completely immune. A lot of this defensive power comes down to how frequently your cells regenerate. This leads us to number 13, strengthens and regenerates the immune system. Fasting does something fascinating to your immune cells. When you go without food, your body breaks down old, inefficient white blood cells. When you finally break your fast, it triggers the creation of highly active immune cells. Clinical studies from major universities demonstrate that cycling through fasting can actually reboot the entire immune system. It clears out damaged cells that no longer protect you and replaces them with a fresh army ready to fight off illness, giving you a much stronger biological defense. Number 14, stabilizes blood sugar and fights insulin resistance. Every time you eat, your pancreas pumps out insulin. Over time, your cells can become resistant to it. OMAD is the ultimate reset button. By fasting for 23 hours, you give your pancreas a long rest. The insulin levels drop to baseline, and your cells slowly become sensitive again. Clinical research tracking pre-diabetic patients shows that intermittent fasting protocols heavily reduce fasting glucose. It trains your body to handle carbohydrates properly again, moving you safely away from blood sugar disorders. Let us step away from biology for a moment and look at your practical daily life. Think about how much effort goes into planning, cooking, and cleaning up after 3 meals a day. This reveals our final benefit. Number 15. Saves incredible amounts of time and money. By switching to OMAD, you reclaim hours of your day. You only have to prepare one fantastic, satisfying meal. Not only does this free up your schedule for hobbies, family, or simply relaxing, but the financial savings are absolutely enormous. You are drastically cutting your monthly grocery and restaurant bills without sacrificing nutrition. It simplifies your life in the best way possible, proving that sometimes doing less actually gives you so much more freedom. If you want deep dive into what happens hour by hour window when you do OMAD, we have detailed video on that. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you take back control of your health. Which of these 15 OMAD benefits are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and please leave a like if you found this valuable.